Bro, did you watch the Nokia unboxing video?
Which one? New iPhone, huh?
Not iPhone, the new keypad Nokia?
Keypad, huh? Who even buys keypad phones in 2026?
Just watch this. When he opens the box, that classic Nokia ringtone hits.
That sound. School days memories, matcha.
Wait. It has 4G also, no?
Yes, bro. 4G, UPI, camera, FM radio, everything in small size.
You know, holding a keypad phone feels different. No distractions, just calls, messages, real moments.
True da. Today phones are smart. But those days, we were smarter.
Full unboxing is too satisfying, bro. The way he removes the battery. Classic Nokia feel.
Send link da.
Already posted on YouTube. Go watch the full Nokia unboxing now.